how to add, resize, and delete columns in Notion. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have 4 columns and it's so easy to do it here in Notion dashboard. So to add or to create columns, what you're going to do is to simply tap any of this space right here or area right here. And then what you're going to do is to type slash. You can type columns or you can type 3, 2, and then columns. As you can see here, you have choices 2, 3, 4, 5, but up to 5 columns only. So let's just say I'm going to add 3 columns right here. So what I'm going to do is to paste or to type some words or phrases or paragraphs, and this is what it looks like. So you can also change this one or resize this by just tapping these lines. If you want to add or write something, all you have to do is to type it right here or paste it right here if you want to add new commands. But let's just say you wanted to create a column out of this right here. So what you're going to do is to simply drag this part until you see this line. Okay. So this is how you create column. So if you want to add another column again, so what you're going to do is to drag all of this, move this 9 dots till you see this line that separates this two. So you have here 3 columns. And if you want to change it to the first one right here, if you want to do some changes, all you have to do is to drag. Now, let's just say if you wanted to resize the column right here, like I've shown you earlier, all you have to do is to just simply click this line right here and you can move it to the right, to the left, and that's how you resize the column. So this is what it looks like. And that's how you add and that's how you resize column. Now, let's just say you wanted to delete or you wanted to change or move one paragraph or one phrase to the other line or other area. You just have to simply drag it till you see this line that separates from the columns or other sections or other comments you have right here in dashboard. So you just have to simply drag it anywhere you want. So that's how you simply change it. Okay. But if you say that you want to remove this, what you're going to do is to click this 9 dots right here. Then you will see this delete. But if you want to delete all, then you just have to drag it all and then tap this delete again. And that's it.
If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.